types of cutters. One is probably 2 centimeters and the smaller one is 1 centimeter. The clay is Primo white with a little bit of black. I'm using a dry sponge to put some texture. This is Bake and Bound glue. So I'm doing some marks so it will hold better. I'm putting the glue on the clay. And there's also a pin now, so I'm putting some glue on the pin so it's gonna hold better. I'm gonna smooth the sides so we don't see the marks that much, and it holds together, it sticks together better. And again, the dry sponge for the texture and so it stays well together. So now I'm doing the ears. I'm using a little bit of white Primo, so I'm going to roll some little balls. I did put a tiny bit of glue before putting the white balls, and I'm putting some texture into the ears. Now I'm doing the nose, so I'm taking some Primo black. I'm doing 2 marks for the nose and I put a little bit of glue again so it will stick better. I'm making holes for the eyes, so not too big. And I'm gonna cut tiny little pieces of black so to roll on them and to do 4 eyes. That's it, they're almost done. I've decided to add something extra, so I'm gonna do a little pink flower for the big one. I'm using a cutter in the shape of a star. And for the little one, I'm gonna do 2 eucalyptus leaves. So I'm using green Primo and pink Primo. did put a little bit of glue before. Now for the flower. Yeah, it's not that easy. It takes a little bit of practice. But here is my little flower, and I'm gonna attach it a bit better with that big needle, just putting a hole, and that's it. So after putting them in the oven for an hour, I just want to add a little bit of glue in the pin to make sure it's gonna stay in place. So I just add a little bit of super glue and put it back, and I'm gonna leave it rest for a little while. Now I can do my bookmark. So that's something I bought on eBay, and I'm adding it. It's a mini bookmark, making sure it's tied properly, and here it is. It's very cute. So you can put that on little notebooks. Now I'm gonna do a little charm and put it. So I've got some chain that I made attached together. Make sure it's really tight, and that's it. Love it. So I can do different things too, so that cord could go on a phone. You see all the little things that I have. And of course I can do earrings, so you can see at the back, those one I've been adding some clay, and I'm going to put them in a little card that I made. So the punch to do the whole step, it's great. I found it on eBay as well. So I attach it, make it cute. That's it. Look at them. Very cute. So those are the final products. So you can have the flower or the eucalyptus leaves or nothing at all. Oh, the bookmark is one of my favorite, that's for sure. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching.